Hello, and I have here a Magnavox AM/FM cassette recorder, and it is model number D7160, and let's see, yeah, it's type D7160, made in Malaysia, which kind of dates it pretty well. I put it at the early 90s before everything was made in China. It's actually a sharp looking little radio. A little on the dirty side. Let's see here. Kind of hard to do like this. I apologize. Switch needs to be cleaned up here. So, FM works as you could hear. Here's AM. Kind of a sensitive tuner. See? So, it does work, except cassette doesn't. It is dead. So, give you a quick look at it. There's your volume slider. Function switch, you know, all the way that way. I guess that way is off, or, you know, tape. Then you got AM, then FM, which that switch is also kind of dirty. Let's see, it's working. So, telescopic antenna. And so here you've got your pause, mechanical, play, stop, eject, fast forward, rewind, record. I'm not actually sure. Let's find out if I can get my fingers in there. Sorry, bad cameramanship. Okay, you gotta hold record while pressing play. So, there you go. There's the inside of the tape mechanism. So, the way it's acting, I am pretty sure I know what's wrong with it. I believe it's probably the reed switch in there that, you know, when you press any of these buttons down, it makes that reed switch connect and gets it going. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it apart, and then I'll be back and we will take a look. Okay, here we are all apart. And go ahead and take a look at that speaker real quick. 8 ohm, 2 watt. It's like semi-long throw. So it's a good speaker. So, alright, here's the part I'm worried about, or that I think. There's the reed switch. And let's see what happens. Looks like it's not making quite a connection, so we will find out. There it is. And now it's making contact. Now it's going, but I'm not too sure about that, so I'm going to just kind of bend it. Now that reed switch is making contact. we go. I think it was a pretty simple fix. And, well, since this isn't going to focus, I'm not really wanting to show the label, but there you go. Yeah. So this is a 9-volt motor. Takes 6C batteries. But I'm pretty sure that it's not, the whole 9 volts isn't going in there. Unless it's got to step up into it. Because all it is 9 volts, and it's got to run the amplifier board and everything too. So, but quiet motor. So, put this up a little bit. Well, I'll move this over. Speaker wire is pretty generous on this, actually. There's your power transformer. Step down from 120 down to the appropriate needs. There's your number. Let's see if I can. There you go. If y'all want that, and look it up or whatever if you need to. So, just a little quick look in here. So, there you go. Well, that was it. Well, not quite. I'll go ahead and get it back together and show the tape playing. Okay, this is kind of after I had originally ended. I'm going to tack this in before the final clip as an addendum. So it's going to be a little bit seem out of order, sorry. But also going to show, so I forgot to show recording and everything. So I'm going to record using the built-in microphone. So we'll give it a shot. Testing 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Testing the Magnavox number D7160 AM/FM radio cassette recorder. I'm probably about a foot from the microphone, so we will see how that turns out. But we will now do radio. Let's see here. AM. Well, I ain't getting really anything on the AM side. Hopefully I won't get nailed by YouTube. The stupid content ID. And recording. So wind it back. Oh, that was failure. So we will try that again. I failed. Well, hell. Dang it. Gotta put down the phone. Sorry. Tape wasn't moving for some reason. It didn't come out of pause, I guess, properly. So, okay. Built-in microphone on the Magnavox D7160 AM/FM cassette recorder. Testing 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Testing 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. And a voice test. Let's go to radio. AM.
always encourage you to listen to your local Singing News Radio affiliate. But if you're going to be out of range from your local station, consider downloading our free app.
And I think the phone is really fucking with the AM reception. So now we'll go to FM. Content ID protection, content ID protection. So now let's try it again. Now let's see. This video is full of fails.
Pause, I guess, properly. So, okay. Built-in microphone on the Magnavox D7160 AM/FM cassette recorder.
Record playback switch is dirty, it sounds like.
Testing.
Unless it's just absolute horrid DC bias, but
And the voice test.
I don't think it's that, would have that bad of a bias, DC bias.
Downloading our free app for your mobile device. You can take Singing News Radio with you wherever you go. For the grace of God. Oh, I look around and all I see.
Well, I think that's just the microphone because it did pretty good on FM recording. So, and I think I noticed one thing about this. It doesn't have that pressure pad, that metal pressure pad strip down in there that helps push the cassette up towards the heads. But, so there we go. And I didn't show properly. The only thing on this is a regular slot for the AC mains. Otherwise, there are no other jacks or anything. You can't hook up a headphone or microphone, anything like that. So if you're going to record voice, you only got that microphone right there. I believe that's where it is. I don't see the holes, but I'm assuming that's where it is. I did not look when I had it open. So I apologize. This video was a complete fail. But there you go. Now back to the end clip. Alrighty. Here we go. There you go. Let's see here. Fast forward. Going pretty good. Well, sounded pretty good. But, see how strong the buttons are. Doesn't seem to work very well. Seems like it pulls it away. But that's not really important. It does play. So, there you go. That was the D7160. Thanks for watching. Bye.